In order to hide apps on the OnePlus 15R, first we need to open the settings. Next, in settings, scroll down a little bit and choose security and privacy. Next, in here we need to scroll down in order to find the hide apps option. So we're gonna go over here and then we need to press get started. If you don't have the privacy password created, then you will have to set it up. So tap on setting in this case, and then you can set up the password. You can also tap on here on use a different password type in order to change the password type, of course. So enter the password that you wish to have twice. Then you also have the security settings, so you can set up the recovery email or a security question, depending which one you prefer. And in my case, I'm just gonna set anything over here. But in your case, naturally, you want it to be set up properly, so you have the option to recover the password in case you forget it. And there we go. Once it is set up, we can press get started again. And then we can choose how we want to access those hidden apps. So you can create an access code that you can enter in the phone app. In this case, you have to tap on setting and then you can create the password that must be within the hashtags. So we start with the hashtag, provide the number, and then end it with the hashtag again. Of course, the number can be anything. And we can tap on done. There we go. You can also create the home screen folder as well. And of course, you can customize the folder. So you can change its icon and the name if you want to disguise it as something. Then we can press on add apps, and of course you should be able to choose which apps should be hidden. So let's say I'm gonna hide Facebook in here, and we can completely hide the app or just hide the home screen icon. And let's say we're gonna choose one more, just like an Instagram for example. There we go. And now, if you want to open those hidden apps, depending which option you have chosen, you might be able to find it on the home screen. There we go. We have our hidden apps. Or, as I said, you can go to the phone app, go to the keypad and enter your code. There we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.